Tsunamis, often referred to as harbor waves in Japanese, one of nature's most devastating and awe-inspiring phenomena. These colossal ocean waves can wreak havoc on coastal regions, causing immense destruction and loss of life. Understanding how tsunamis occur is crucial in mitigating their impact and safeguarding vulnerable communities. In this detailed text, we will delve into the causes, formation, and impact of tsunamis, shedding light on the science behind these powerful natural disasters. Causes of tsunamis. Tsunamis are mainly triggered by underwater disturbances that displace a significant volume of water. The most common causes of tsunamis include underwater earthquakes. Submarine earthquakes, particularly those occurring along tectonic plate boundaries, are the leading cause of tsunamis. When tectonic plates shift and release enormous amounts of energy, they can displace water and generate powerful waves. Volcanic eruptions, especially those that take place on or near the ocean floor, can displace water and create tsunamis. These volcanic tsunamis are typically localized to the vicinity of the eruption. Submarine landslides, large landslides underwater, whether caused by earthquakes, volcanic activity, or other factors, can displace massive amounts of water and initiate a tsunami. Meteor impacts. Although rare, an impact from a large meteor or asteroid in the ocean can generate a tsunami by displacing water upon impact. Underwater explosions. Rarely, human activities such as underwater explosions during military operations or construction work can trigger small-scale tsunamis. Formation of tsunamis. The process of tsunami formation involves several stages. Initial trigger. As mentioned earlier, the initial trigger is often an underwater disturbance, such as an earthquake or volcanic eruption, that displaces a significant amount of water. Generation of waves. The displaced water forms a series of waves that radiate outward from the source. These waves can have a wavelength of hundreds of kilometers and travel at speeds of up to 800 kilometers per hour, 500 miles per hour, in deep ocean waters, making them imperceptible to ships at sea. Shoaling effect. As the waves approach shallower coastal waters, their speed decreases, and their amplitude, height, increases. This shoaling effect causes the waves to pile up, leading to the dramatic increase in wave height near the shoreline. Wave impact. When the tsunami reaches the coastline, it can create waves that tower over 30 meters, 100 feet or more, causing devastating flooding and destruction. Impact of tsunamis. The impact of a tsunami can be catastrophic, causing significant loss of life, property damage, and environmental destruction. Some of the major consequences of tsunamis include loss of life. Tsunamis can result in a high number of casualties, especially in densely populated coastal areas. The force of the waves can sweep away people, structures, and vehicles, making evacuation challenging. Infrastructure damage. Coastal infrastructure, including buildings, roads, bridges, and utilities, can be severely damaged or destroyed by the force of the waves and flooding. Economic impact. Tsunamis can have substantial economic repercussions, affecting industries such as fishing, tourism, and trade. Rebuilding after a tsunami can be an expensive and time-consuming process. Environmental damage. Tsunamis can cause extensive damage to coastal ecosystems, disrupting marine habitats and leading to loss of biodiversity. Tsunami warning systems and preparedness. In recent years, advancements in technology have led to the development of tsunami warning systems, aimed at detecting potential tsunamis and issuing timely alerts to at-risk communities. These systems rely on seismographic and oceanographic data to assess earthquake characteristics and tsunami wave propagation. Public awareness and education are essential components of tsunami preparedness. Coastal communities in tsunami-prone regions must have clear evacuation plans, designated safe zones, and knowledge of warning signs, such as the rapid receding of ocean water before the arrival of a tsunami wave. Conclusion. Tsunamis are awe-inspiring yet highly destructive natural events that result from underwater disturbances. Understanding the causes, formation, and impact of tsunamis is critical in developing effective warning systems, emergency preparedness, and mitigating their devastating effects. As we continue to study and learn from these powerful phenomena, it is essential to prioritize safety, education, and sustainable development in coastal regions vulnerable to the threat of tsunamis.